Hello everyone and welcome back to TradeSmart. Today we will test one of the most requested indicator, the Ichimoku Cloud 100 times to see if it is profitable or not. First I will show you the strategy, then the 100 backtest, and at the end I will share the results, the account balance graph and a few improvement tips for this strategy. If you want to see more, drop a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload the next strategy testing video. And with that said, let's get right into it. We will use TradePro's recommended settings for this strategy. For this strategy, we will only use the Ichimoku Cloud. So go into the Indicators tab and type in Ichimoku. It's going to be the first one. Here you can see all of my settings. These are the default settings. And here you can see all of my color settings. As you can see, it might look a bit crazy, but it's going to be very simple. So you will have the baseline in red. Here you can see the conversion line in blue. And here you can see the lagging span in purple. This is going to be our cloud. So what we need for a long entry. First, you need the price to close inside the cloud and then exit to the upside. So let's see when that happens. We have a close. First we have an exit to the downside. But now we have an exit to the upside. Now you need to look for a green Ichimoku Cloud. You need to have the conversion line above the baseline. And you will need to have the lagging span above the cloud and above the price. So let's see when all the indicators line up. Here you can see we turned into green. We have now the conversion line above the baseline. But we need the lagging span to close above the price. Here you can see the lagging span just closed above the price. We have the conversion line above the baseline and we have a green Ichimoku Cloud. So it's going to be our entry. Set the stop loss to the lower band of the Ichimoku Cloud and target 2.2. Just right around there. And now let's see what happens. As you can see, we just hit our take profit. So this is going to be a winner. Now let's see a short example. For a short example, you will need exactly the opposite rules. So you need the price to go inside the Ichimoku Cloud, close inside it, and then exit to the downside. So let's see when that happens. Here we have a close. And now we just exited onto the downside. So you will need now the baseline to be above the conversion line. You will need to have the lagging span under the Ichimoku Cloud and under the price. And you will need to have the Ichimoku Cloud turn into red. So let's wait for that. And now as you can see, we have a red Ichimoku Cloud. But the lagging span is inside the cloud, so we can't enter now. Now as you can see, we have a red Ichimoku Cloud, we have the lagging span under the price and under the Ichimoku Cloud, and we have the baseline above the conversion line. So this is going to be the valid entry. Place your stop loss to the upper band of the Ichimoku Cloud and target 2.2. And now let's see what happens. We have one additional rule. Once the lagging span closes above the price range, we will close out all of our positions. That is going to be our trading stop loss. This will help you to eliminate big losses and to close your positions in the green. As you can see here, the lagging span just closed above the price range. So here we are going to exit all of our position. And let's see how much we made. So as you can see, this is going to be a 1.08. And it's going to be a winner again. And now let's get into the 100 backtests. And the results are in. After 100 trades on the Euro-USD pair on the 1-hour time frame, with a 2.2 basic risk to reward and trailing stop loss, we had 44 winners and 56 losses. That gives a gain on the account of 18.16%, risking only 1% per trade. You could increase that by risking 2 or 3% per trade, but I wouldn't recommend going anything further than that. We had max of 7 losses in a row and 5 wins in a row. Time to complete the 100 trades was 310 days. On the right hand side, you can see some optimizations I found during backtesting. If you want to optimize this strategy, making it even better, try using these tips. And now let's take a look at the account balance graph. Here you can see the account balance graph for the 100 backtests. In my opinion, this looks as a good starting point for a strategy without any optimization. Now take a look at an account balance chart with using the variable risk taking method. For those who haven't seen this method, basically after a losing trade, we will only risk 0.5%, and after a winning trade, we will risk 2% instead of 1 on the next trade. This way, if we have losing streaks, we lose less, and if we have winning streaks, we win more. You will see a pop-up now in the upper right corner where I explain this idea even more. If you want to check it out, click on that, or you can find the link in the description. As you can see with this strategy, it did pretty well. We almost doubled our profits. Before you go, one more thing. I have created an Excel sheet for all the strategies I have tested and all of their variations, so we can compare it which was the best performing. I will update this every time I release a new strategy testing video, so if you want to check it out, links down in the description. With that said, thank you for watching. If you would like to support this channel, drop a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below any trading ideas you have. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.